Hello, my dear student. Are you ready to make those delicious brown butter chocolate chip cookies? Yes, so here we go. So make sure you have all of the ingredients, okay? I've got my recipe here. So you will need butter. Check out the quantity here. We'll need granulated sugar, okay? We'll need brown sugar. We'll need 2 large eggs. We'll need vanilla extract. We will also need flour, salt, okay, this is salt, baking soda or baking powder, and the chocolate. So you can either use a chocolate bar and break it into small pieces, or you can buy chocolate chips, okay, those little chocolate drops, as you prefer. So the first step in this recipe is to make brown butter. So come with me to the kitchen and I'll teach you how to make brown butter. Let's go. So now we're going to brown the butter. So the butter is kind of yellow and we want it brown. So this is 1 cup and 1/4. So let's just put it here inside the pan. You will need the help of an adult for this, okay? Don't do it on your own. So basically, we're going to melt the butter so it becomes liquid. And then when it's liquid, we're going to keep stirring, okay? So you have to stir well until the butter turns brown. So the butter is going to change color, okay? It's yellow now, but we want it brown, just like honey, the color of honey, okay? Oops. And I'm going to use this to whisk, okay? Because we have to keep on whisking so the butter won't burn. We don't want it burned, right? We don't want it black, we want it brown. So keep on stirring with the help of an adult, your mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, someone who can help you with this, okay? So keep on stirring. So can you see it's boiling? Can you see the bubbles? So the butter is boiling. That's why you need the help of an adult, because this is dangerous. We have to keep on stirring. Stir and stir and stir. And be very careful not to get burned. Can you see the color? Can you see? It's changing. It's becoming brown. So this is exactly what we want, okay? So keep on stirring non-stop. And it smells so good. I really like the smell of it. So I think we're getting there. I think we're good. I think this is exactly what we want. Yes, I don't want it to burn. So now I'm going to pour it into a bowl. Can you see the bowl? Right here. Yes, it's kind of too light for you. Okay. So let's pour it here. including these brown bits here, okay? They're going to be super important for the taste of our cookies. So make sure to include these little grains as well, okay? These are like the solid parts of the butter. Then we're going to put this bowl in the fridge so it will cool off, okay? And become kind of solid, all right? We cannot use the liquid butter, because if we use the liquid butter, the cookies are going to be flat. Okay, so let's put it in the fridge. I think we're good. Let's see if there's any more bits here that I would like to use. Okay, that's good. Put it in the sink. So now I'm going to take, oops, it's hot, be careful. That's why I have this and I forgot to use it. So it's very hot, so we're going to put it in the fridge now for a few minutes to let it cool off and start getting solid again, okay? So here we are. I've just removed the brown butter from the fridge. Can you see that it's creamy? It's not very liquid anymore. It's getting like solid. So we're going to pour the butter into a bowl like this, including the dark bits at the bottom of the butter, okay? Because they will give your cookies a very special flavor. Smell this butter. It smells so good. It smells nutty. Or, you know, something like caramel, maybe? And then we're going to add the granulated sugar and the brown sugar here, okay? Oh, and Friendly Flower is here to help us out. She loves cookies. Did you know that? And so do I. And you? Do you like cookies? I think you're gonna love these ones. I really do. Okay, so let's just stir a little bit so it will be kind of the same color and the same texture. Okay, now we're ready to put the sugars. We have white sugar and brown sugar. I wish you could smell this. So let's get the white sugar first. We're going to need 3/4 of a cup. I have these measuring cups and they really help. So this is 1 cup. We need 3/4, so we don't need a full cup, okay? It's like almost full, but not completely full. Something like this, okay? 3/4. So let's put the sugar here. And now the brown sugar. Now we need 1 cup of brown sugar. So because we use a lot of sugar in this recipe, I prefer to use dark chocolate. But this is up to you. You can use dark chocolate or milk chocolate. It's really up to you. So now we're going to cream the sugars and the butter together until it is fluffy and a pale color, okay? So stir well until we have this fluffy cream. So I have incorporated the butter, the sugars. Now we can add the 2 eggs and the vanilla extract, okay? So 1 egg, 2 eggs, and vanilla extract. So you're going to see that the color is going to start changing because of the eggs now. And the mixture is going to start looking fluffy. So incorporating the eggs, can you see? Look at this, it's beautiful. Wow. Now vanilla extract. Let's check It's one teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, I love the smell of vanilla. Do you like the smell of vanilla too? Okay, so let's cream it together here. Look at this. It's starting to look really good, isn't it? And it smells delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Stir so you get it really fluffy. Wow, look at this dough. Look at the texture. It looks and smells delicious. So now the best part, let's add the chocolate chips, okay, or the small pieces of chocolate. So, wow. I'm sure this is gonna be delicious. So now I just need to incorporate the chocolate, okay? So, look at this. Ready to go onto the baking tray and then straight into the oven. So I'm gonna use a spoon to make like little balls like this. So you're gonna make balls because once you put them in the oven, they're gonna spread, they're gonna become flat, okay? So we're gonna make them into balls like this and just spread them onto the baking tray. Remember that the oven is being preheated while we are making the cookies, okay? It's really important that the oven is hot when we finally put the cookies there to bake. Voila! We have 2 full baking trays full of cookies, delicious cookies. So let's put them in the oven now and bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so 8 to 10 minutes. And how do you know if they're ready? We're going to check the edges. The edges of the cookie are going to be kind of brownish. Okay, so when they're brownish, they're ready to be eaten. Okay, so I'm going to set my timer here to 8 minutes so that I won't forget about the cookies. So, cookies are ready. Let's take a look at them. Actually, mine took longer to bake, okay? About 20 minutes or so. So you check your oven because I think these things will vary from one oven to the other, okay? Look at these. They look beautiful. Now let's get the other ones. Be careful, it's super hot. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. So you should let them cool off, okay, before you eat them. Don't eat them while they're hot, okay? So wait about 20 or 30 minutes so they will cool off and then you can eat them, okay? There you are. I love these cookies. They're delicious. So I hope you and your family enjoy this recipe. And I want you to tell me all about it next class, okay? Bye-bye.